Hey guys, this is Mr. Baseball 2 here, coming to you with the Gridiron box break. I think today's the 31st, about 5 o'clock. Just got home from my mom's house. Last time we pulled the Cam Newton, so hopefully we get that again. But, here's the ID number. 345614110. Yesterday pissed me off. Bidding on absolute memorabilia box. It's really cheap. It was like $90 something it went for. I was like, damn it. I bid like 90 at the last minute. I got bid 93, which pissed me off. Checklist. Whoops. I think you guys can see all the packs. Yes, you can. So, we get the Cam Newton. Thank you guys all who joined. I really appreciate it. Paul Paluski, London Fletcher, Donnie Jones, Dummy, Aaron Williams, Josh Freeman, Larry Fitzgerald, almost Pro Bowl MVP. Brandon Marshall. Whoops. Got a text. Andre Johnson. Matt Forte. We got a rookie. Justin Houston. Des Bryant. Dustin Keller. Roddy White. Steven Jackson. I think we're on our third pack here. Let me move all the base over here. They will all be in double plastic. If you don't know what that means, they'll be like put in a single cover and then in a hard cover. All the hits will. Okay, Pierre Garçon, D'Angelo Hall, Greg Melroyd, Dummy, Rookie, O.J. Murdoch, Matt Castle, Fred Jackson, Matthew Stafford, and Asante Samuel. I'm going to have to go a little faster here, guys, because I am going too slow. Okay. Kevin Walter, AJ Hawk, Mario Williams. Wow. Nice card for them. 197 out of 250. Mark Dell, Ray Rice, Kevin Call, D'Angelo Hall, and Sidney Rice. They don't have a lot of base cards, Cam Newton. That's what I've seen. That's the only weird thing. Okay. Javad Best, Matt Schwab, Greg Jennings, another dummy, rookie, Torrey Gurley, Maurice Jones-Drew, Brian Urlacher, Percy Harvin, and Danny Emeldalo. Have you guys seen the new precision stuff? It's like baseball marquee, but that stuff is just like awesome. I love that stuff. Okay, Mike Thomas, Johnny Knox, first hit, J.J. Watt auto. For the Texans, nice card. 3 out of 299. Nice hit for the Texans. Okay, we got a Robert Hausler rookie, Jordan Shipley, DeMarcus Ware, Matt Ryan, and Sam Bradford. The only thing I don't like about Panini is that when you get a redemption, it takes forever to come in. I got a Royal Crown redemption for Robert Hausler auto. I think it was gold. Oh, looks like we got our first hit. Okay, looks like a pullout too, so that's good. Kevin Torman, Jermaine Gresham, Mario Manningham. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Hey, Dad.
Yes.
Look at this card.
Tell me it's not the Eagles.
20 out of 203. It's not. Look at that.
New England? Wow, who is that?
Stephen, really nice hit for the Patriots.
Hey, didn't I pick
Rookie Nathan. No, he didn't. Sean Green, Mike Tolbert, Michael Crabtree, Chad Greenway, Ryan Turian, Jermaine Gresham, and Mario Manningham. It's a nice That was our second hit. Think so. Okay. TJ Ward, Brandon Jacobs, London Fletcher, Adrian Claiborne, Darren McFadden, Lawrence Timmons, LeGarrette Blunt, and Ahmad Bradshaw. So nice 2 hits to start the break. Oh, so 2 for 2 on the pullouts of the gridiron. Devin McCourty, Chris Johnson. What was that? Tay Washington. 22 out of 25 short print. It's not even gold, that's silver. Ronald Johnson, Champ Bailey, Ed Reed, Marcus Colston, and Petroglyphs. I usually pick random teams. That's why one group had like 3 teams in it, because I usually pick random teams. So, I mean, it all depends. Looks like we got hit in there. Wes Welker, Dwayne Bowe, Devon Breeze. Oh, stupid dummy. Oh, rookie. Marvin Austin, Lee Evans, Tavon Branch, Curtis Lofton, and Brandon Gibson. Oh, my arms get tired of this. Okay, so this video is going to be long as heck, unfortunately. Okay, I'm just going to like Ben Roethlisberger, Ricky Stanza, gold. Wow, 3 out of 100. Thought it was 1 out of 3. I was like, whoa, that's weird. Oh, Julius Thomas, Aquan Bolden, Tim Tebow, and a bunch of other base. I usually go faster than this, but sorry guys. Thanks for joining my breaks also. Happy to everyone that joined. Probably doing a couple mail days after this vid. Okay, so we got Calvin Johnson Jr., Adrian Foster, Aaron Rodgers, Denarius Moore, rookie, Jason Campbell, Rashad Mendenhall, base. I don't think I'll name all the cards now, unless it's numbered. Okay, Peyton Manning, Tony Romo. We got a Game Breakers, Adrian Peterson, not numbered. And a bunch of base. We only have 2 hits. This is a really thick and heavy pack, so looks like we got a hit. Ooh. Number 7, 54 at 299, Julio Jones. Patch, nice patch. Again, numbered 54 at 299. Nice card. Rookie, Damian Barry, bunch of base. This is another really big pack. Well, let's save that for the end, but that's probably our last hit. Unless it's a dummy. Wow, Peyton Manning, number 13, 131 out of 250. Nice numbered card. Base. Oh, what did I say? Dummy. Rookie, Prince Akamara. Number Rasante Shinko, 2 out of 250. My camera has really good zoom. Rookie. What last card was that? Alright, that's it. Hopefully it's a good hit. Up, Deloney Carter, 25 out of 50. Ooh, nice card. 2 1 color patch. Gridiron Gems again. 25 out of 50. Rookie, Brandon Harris, Miles Austin, Mark Sanchez, Drew Brees, and Frank Gore. Thank you all for joining my breaks. We got some pretty... I'll do a recap real quick. Okay. So, got Deloney Carter, Julio Jones, Stephen Riley, pull out, and J.J. Watt. These will all be sent out probably tomorrow, Thursday. So they will all be sent out nicely. Thank you guys again for joining. Empty box. And please join more box breaks. And please comment if you like this video. And my eBay name is robert.baseball if you want to join any future breaks, or just PM or contact me. Thank you.